JavaScript slice method returns a part of a string from start position to end position. Positions are index values of characters in a string. From left, counting starts from 0, while from right it starts from 1. Remember that element placed at the end position is not included in the return string. Let's have a variable named text, and we will assign a string to it. Slice method will return characters from 0 index position to character, which is at 3rd position, because 4th one is not included. If we only assign one index value, then whole string from that position is returned. In case of negative values, the counting is done from right side. If only one negative number is assigned, then whole string from that number is returned.